very much for your subscription. Till now, if you did not subscribe my channel, please you subscribe it. It will give encouragement to me to do lot. In previous video, I explained you about the project cycle and problem scoping, right? Yes. Today you are going to learn about the data acquisition. What is the meaning of the problem scoping? The problem which you are going to solve in a project cycle, right? Yes. Today you are going to learn about the data acquisition in detail. Yes. So if you want to solve the problem, if you want to scope the problem, you need to collect the data in the form of the visualization, right? Yes. What is the data? You need to learn about this. Data can be a piece of information or facts and statistics collected together for reference or analysis. In simple words, you can say that data is a raw information. We have come to the stage of data acquisition. How do we know what data to get based on the problem statement? We need to visualize the factors which affect the problem statement. For this, we need to extract the data features for the problem scope. Now try to find out what are the parameters which affect your problem statement directly or indirectly. I will explain you about this topic with the example. Look at this picture. What is it? Yes, biometric. Suppose if you want to use in your office or school somewhere, if you want to maintain the biometric files or biometric data or biometric whatever, okay, what you have to do, you need to collect the information about that particular employee, right? In the form of what? Employee number, employee code, then employee name, then what is that? Fingerprints. What these employee number, employee name, and employee code, designation, and fingerprints. What are all these? All these are called data features. What are all these are called data features? But you need to remember one thing. If you whatever you are collecting the data, it should be right. It should be perfect. It should be accurate. Then only you will get the correct information, you will get the correct output. Okay, so now what is the training data and what is the testing data? I will explain you. Yeah, now for example, already I explained you about the biometrics, right? Yes, the whatever data you are collecting to train the machine, that data is known as a training data. And while accessing using one's fingerprint out of the set which is already fed in the machine is known as a testing data. If the training data is accurate and relevant, then the machine will perform efficiently. Yes, already when you are studying about the computer center, we learned about the GIGO principle, right? What is the meaning of that GIGO? Garbage in, garbage out. Means if you are giving the right information, correct information, accurate information, you will get the accurate 100% result. Right? Yes. For any AI project to be efficient, the training data should be authentic and relevant to the problem. You should remember while collecting the data. Yes. Already I explained you in data acquisition, you will collect the data in the form of the images, right? Yes. Now I will one more example you see. If the AI machine is fed in with the temperature of the month of December for the last 5 years accurately, then it can predict the temperature for this year efficiently. But if it is not fed in correctly and we are not sure of its authenticity, then the prediction can also go wrong. Yes, I hope you understood about the data acquisition and the data features. Yes, now already I explained you that data acquisition means you need to collect the data, right? How you will collect the data? By using the reliable resources. Yes. After finding out the data feature, we now need to acquire the same. There exist various sources from which the data can be acquired. Do all the sources have authentic data? What if we do not get appropriate data? Data plays as important part of the AI project as it creates the base on which the AI project is built. Therefore, the data acquired should be authentic, reliable, and correct. Also, the acquisition methods shall be authentic so that our project does not create any sort of conflicts with anyone. Yes, you need to remember one thing. Before collecting the data, you need to observe you need to collect the data from the open source government portals like data.government.gov.in, india.gov.in, because no, if you can collect the data from any other websites and all, but it should be secure and the data should be perfect. Okay, already we learned about that perfectness of the data, right? Yes. What are the reliable resources? Surveys, web scraping, sensors, cameras, observations, API. What is the full form of API? Application Program Interface. All these are resources. By using these resources, you can collect the data. But most preferably, you use government portals. It will give the correct information. Okay. Thank you very much for your subscription. One more time, I'm thanking you. And just if you have liked my video, you just subscribe it, share it, and like it. Just thumbs up. Then what? Do you want to know about my upcoming video? What is that? Yes, my next video is about the project cycle data acquisition and system map. System map is also part of the data acquisition. Wait for my next video. Take care. Bye. And whatever videos you are watching, you watch it till end. Take care. Bye. Happy learning.